Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Matlab Mobile. First of all, I am going to give you the procedure to install the Matlab Mobile. You have to go to your Play Store and you will write Matlab Mobile and you will get this Matlab Mobile application here. You can install it. I have already installed the Matlab Mobile. So from now on you will be able to understand all the basics and advancements that you can use in the Matlab Mobile. It is basically a lighter version of the desktop version of Matlab, but you can get much benefits from this application. So let's move toward our application. I have already installed it. You can open it and you will see this type of surrounding here. Okay, in this environment you can see on the top left corner there are three dots and you can see you have the option to open the files. You can enter the commands and there are some examples already given which you can see. It will take some time. Here these are basically the examples in which some codes and scripts are already given to you. Moreover, when you will be installing this Matlab Mobile first time, it will ask you to log in and create an account. So you can create your account as well. Okay, you have to do it just like I have done so far. So you can log in your account by using your email ID. Okay, moving further, on the right hand top corner you can see there is this block. This is basically workspace and it will be showing you any answer which is stored here. Okay, and furthermore on the second number, this is basically a tab in which you can see the graphs, and the last one is the history, which will show you that which history you have done so far. Okay, so we will be starting with the basics. So in this video you will start learning how to use the Matlab Mobile to do mathematics. I recommend you to watch the full video, subscribe my channel and click on the notification button so that you can be updated with our coming new videos. We will be uploading the lecture series in which you will be learning this Matlab Mobile from basics to advanced. Now, before going further, let us understand that how Matlab environment works. In the Matlab environment, you have to give input and it will return you an output. Okay, if you put a percentage symbol in the starting, it means you are suggesting them, you are commanding them, so it means that it will not give anything in the output. It is basically a comment. Okay, now your input command to Matlab in the command window should be written here. Matlab return out in two ways. Typically you can enter a text, you can enter a numeric value, and on the same lines Matlab can return you text or numeric output. But it also gives you some graphical outputs as well. So for example, if you consider this screen as your sample screen, so you can draw the graphs. It means that the Matlab can take inputs in the form of numeric values, in the form of text, and it can return you in the form of output as a text, or the output can be numeric value and output can be a graphic value. First of all, you can enter any number here. For example, if I enter 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Okay, if you enter this one colon, so what will this do? It will stored in the Matlab. Okay, this value is stored. Now as I told you that we can also have the graphs in this lighter version of the Matlab. For the graph, let me enter the, whenever you start writing something, it will also give you suggestions like you get in the desktop version. So for example, if I give the command of easy plot, Okay, and I want to plot, for example, x cube minus x. You have to comment them in these two inverted colons, and then you will be closing the parentheses. And as I run it, it will take a little bit of time, and you can see that it has drawn a graph, and this is a graph of function x. During this whole process, you have to remember that while working in the MATLAB, sometime you may see a command running like wait. For example, if you do this once again, eplot command, this one, and you enter the function, for example, I enter here x square. So you do not need to worry about the weight like this type of. This is sometime a server connection issue, or sometime your internet speed is not up to the mark, so therefore these sort of problems can occur, and it can give you some sort of wait type of command, like it did took some time to draw this graph. So this can happen in the MATLAB mobile version. So this is all for today's video. In the next class, we are going to study about how we can perform the arithmetics in MATLAB mobile. So if you didn't subscribe my channel up till now, so click the subscribe button, and again click the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification when I upload the new video. Until then, bye bye.